during the course of this next year and this entire term, there are a number of things that I'm going to be focused on. One is making sure that as we continue coming out of this pandemic, that we do so in an equitable way, making sure that all of our residents have the social services that they need to live healthy, fulfilling lives. Because we knew before the pandemic that there were a number of inequities, but the pandemic laid it all bare for everybody to see. So as we build back, we need to continue doing so in a fair and equitable way, in collaboration with our minority health initiatives and with our nonprofit partners and faith communities as well, to make sure that everybody is healthy. Also want to make sure that one of the biggest issues facing the entire DMV is tackled, and that is housing affordability. Whether you have been in your home or apartment for decades, or you are a recent college graduate, or you are a young family just wanting to start your life, maybe you have a little one on the way or a second one, or you're an empty nester, we all know that for every single person, housing costs have become very high here in Montgomery County and in the DC region. So we need to redouble our efforts to make sure that housing is affordable at all income levels, and also make sure that we reconfirm our commitment to ending homelessness for those who are unhoused as well, making sure that housing is rare, brief, and non-recurring. And that is work that I've been focused on over the last 4 years. Also making sure that we strive towards true transit equity, making sure that everybody can safely and efficiently get around our entire community. And I will continue pushing to make sure that our buses are free, recognizing the inequities that exist in our transit systems. You know, the average household income in Montgomery County is $108,000, but the average household income for a bus rider in Montgomery County is $35,000. So while we provide plenty of services to help people, to meet them where they're at, I think one of the best places to meet people is at the bus stop, because without access to good, safe, reliable transportation, people are literally stuck where they are. They're not getting the educational opportunities, they're not getting the employment opportunities. And so we need to do right by them to make sure people can travel throughout our region. And then lastly, I will say, is that also we have to tackle our climate crisis.